Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ayana, aka the Curvy Barbie. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys what a typical weekly meal prep looks like for me on my journey to lose 100 pounds, if you don't know already. Since the beginning of September, I have been incorporating meal prepping, and I've found that it has really helped me out with having things ready to eat. I have less temptations, and it really has helped me stay on track with my weight loss this month so far. So I just wanted to come on and show you guys some, give you guys some ideas of what you guys could also meal prep. Okay guys, so this is kind of like a spread of some of the things that I meal prepped. It is Wednesday, so I have eaten some of the things already. Also, if you think that this is a little too much, me and my husband are actually doing it together. So some of this is for him too. So the first thing is this is salmon and broccoli. Very good, healthy fat. I seasoned it up, seared it, and then I steamed the broccoli, put a little salt on it, and then put it in a bowl. It was really simple. This is also salmon, and there's Brussels sprouts there. I pretty much sauteed them, and I left them on a little too long, but they have a little crunch to them, and it's actually still good. So this I actually made yesterday. My husband wanted some stuffed peppers, so this is kind of the leftover. It's pretty much ground sausage, cauliflower rice, peppers, onions. So that's really good. And that's like the leftover from it. I chopped up some spinach because that is the green of choice for us. I would use these for like a salad, or sometimes if I'm in the mood for like some eggs in the morning, I'll use it for some eggs. Throw it in with my eggs, or either I'll have some salad and I'll throw some tuna fish on it or something like that. This is grilled chicken chopped up, and then it's cabbage there. That's really good. Very low calorie. Something that I found out meal prepping is that grilled chicken is extremely low in calories and filling. So if you guys are looking for something where you can kind of have a huge amount of it, grilled chicken is it. So the next thing is watermelon. I just chopped that up. Also, of course, I'll be having other type of fruit like bananas and apples and things like that, but those don't need to be meal prepped. The last thing that I wanted to show you guys was this. This is kind of like a treat a little bit. It's 90 calories. They're Kind bars. All good ingredients. This one is the dark chocolate, and then it also has the caramel. I like the dark chocolate better. Yeah, but if you guys are looking for something that is kind of like a little bit of a treat, go pick that up. Hey guys, so that's pretty much it. This is going to be a short video, but I just wanted to come on and show you guys a little bit of what I've been pretty much eating. I kind of keep these things on rotation. They're kind of pretty much my favorite things to eat on my weight loss journey. So I just wanted to come on and show you guys that. If you guys are interested in how I prepped any of these things, just let me know in the comment section below, and I can maybe make a separate video of just, that meal. Also, don't forget to like my video. Check out my other videos that are on my page right now. I share videos on my weight loss journey, like I said, just encouraging videos. So go check out those videos. I also just shared a leggings video if you guys want to check that out, if you're interested. And I hope that you guys come back. I'll see you guys next week for the next video. Thanks. Bye.